Good morning everyone. Myself Miss Monica Watts, and today we are going to start new chapter, that is fabric from fiber. The name of the chapter is fabric from fiber. Is it clear? Okay. Let's start the chapter fabric from fiber. In this chapter, as I want to connect you with your previous session, with your previous knowledge that you have discussed in your 7th class, you have discussed that we need clothes to protect us as well as to look nice. Why do we need clothes? The very first, to protect us and to look nice. In the previous class, you have discussed about the cloth. The chapter was there in which you have discussed about it. So, protect us means it protects us from heat, it protects us from cold, it protects us from rain, and obviously to look nice, because as we know about it that if there is our birthday or any occasion at our home, then we used to purchase new clothes. Why? Because we look nice in that particular cloth. That's why. And another thing that is very important to know, that clothes, these are made up of fibers. किसके बने हुए होते हैं? Clothes are made up of fibers. All clothes are made up of fibers. We usually see in the television that when there is a advertisement of washing powder, तो उसमें दिखाते हैं कि कपड़ा जब धुलता है तो कैसे कपड़े में वो बारीक बारीक फाइबर्स होते हैं actually. So in this chapter we will discuss about fiber. What we will discuss? We discuss about fiber. Fibers are classified into two categories. The first one category, it is known as natural fiber. Natural fiber. And the second one category, it is known as artificial fiber. First one is natural fiber and the second one is artificial fiber. Natural fiber, as the name indicates, natural fibers are obtained from nature. From where we obtain it? We obtain it from nature. That means the organisms or the plant or animal which are present in nature, we obtain these from that. And the artificial fibers, these fibers are manufactured. These are manufactured in factories. And because these are manufactured in factories by men, so that's why these are also known as artificial fiber or man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. So artificial fibers are also known as man-made fiber or synthetic fiber, because these are prepared by or manufactured by man. So we can say that fibers are on the basis of the source from where they are obtained. These are of two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. In this chapter, we will discuss only and only about natural fiber. Artificial fibers will be discussed in the 8th class. So natural fiber that we obtained from nature, and we know that in nature there are two important living things, categories of living things. One is known as plant and another is known as animal. So the fiber which are obtained from plants, these are known as plant fiber, and some obtained from animals. So the fiber which obtained from plants, these are plant fiber, and which are obtained from animal are known as animal fiber. It means the category of natural fiber is also depend on the source, that which natural source is used to take that fiber. First one is plant and the second one is animal. So the fiber, as I told you, that it is obtained from plant and animal. On that basis, we can say that plant fibers and animal fibers are there. Now the fiber that we obtain from plant, like cotton, like jute, and the fiber which we obtain from animal, these are like silk and like wool. So in this chapter we will discuss about these kind of fibers. Especially in this chapter we will discuss about the animal fiber. So this one is I think enough for today. In the next session we will discuss that how can we get the animal fiber. Okay? Take a revision of it. Fabric from fiber, we have to protect and to look nice. That's why we need clothes. All the clothes are made up of fiber. Fibers are of two types, natural fibers and artificial fiber. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from nature, and artificial, these are manufactured by man. And natural fiber are also depend on the basis of the source, that which natural source is used to obtain it. They can be obtained from plant, they can be obtained from animals. If they obtain from plants, like cotton and jute, and some that are obtained from animal like silk and wool. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.